Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I will show you how to find and adjust display settings on the OPPO Find X9 Pro. So first of all, open settings by scrolling down from the top right corner and pressing the little gear button to open settings. In settings, scroll down to display and brightness. Now let's adjust a few settings, but not all of them. First of all, dark mode. Highly recommend. It's a little easier for the eyes and it uses less battery on all the screens. Here's your brightness, easily adjustable here, but you can also adjust it in the quick access menu. You can also enable and disable auto brightness in this menu. Next is screen color mode. You can play around to see what you like the most. You can also adjust the screen temperature. It's fun to play around, but I'm going to pick everything default. Next is eye care. It makes your screen look less bluish and it's recommended for reading books. But don't use it all the time because it makes your screen look yellow. Go down and you can adjust font and display size. You can make your font bigger if you have trouble seeing and smaller if you want to see more on your screen. Let's make the font a little bigger and a little less bold. Press apply. Let's adjust our display size. We have three options for choice. I'm not going to change anything, but you can make your screen smaller and even smaller or large. Next up, we have screen resolution and screen refresh rate. Screen resolution smaller for longer battery life and higher for sharper images. Go back. And there's also screen refresh rate. You have two options for choice, 60 and 120 Hz. 120 Hz is recommended for gaming and 60 Hz is recommended for conserving battery. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.